Hi everyone. This is the last step in the case study reflection paper. This is what all facilitators do once they have finished their facilitation process. They collect the peer and self evaluations from the group. They look at their facilitation process that they did, and they start to reflect on how well it went. And in your paper you write, you can just answer the questions if you wish to, write it in paragraph form, make it so it's clear and you've done a lot of thinking. So the first thing you're going to do for the first 5 marks is you're going to hand in your template, your process template with all your questions and your thoughts about the actual case study. You're going to hand in your self and peer assessments from the group and the actual case study number, just so I know which number it was. So then you're going to start to reflect on the facilitation process of leading and following the group to make them identify and discriminate the facts of the case. So how did your questions go? What questions worked well? What didn't work well? What would you do next time? How did the group consider and present various perspectives on the case? And you're going to talk about how your questioning and your facilitation process helped that. You're also going to look at how the discussion of solutions and recommendations and the consideration of the consequences of those solutions worked out in your questioning. And this would be your body language. This would be your eye contact. This is how you ask the question. Did you add any questions to the questions you had written down because you thought of a better one, or this group did not understand? And please remember to include vocabulary from 3 resources on the facilitation skills. And that was on your chart that had the resources of how to ask questions. So use those resources to help reflect on your facilitation. And the last thing that 2 things you're answering is give a summary of how the process increased your skills as a teacher, because we are facilitators. And include a reflection on the effectiveness of preparing your template, having the questions ready before you met with a group. And then the last one is review your own facilitation skills and what you did well and may want to improve based on peer assessments of your facilitation process. So that's where you look at your peer assessments and take their critique and say, here's what I did well, here's what I could have done better. Thank you.